Does a plane always have to return after a bird strike? Let me tell you a real aviation news story from a pilot's viewpoint. Earlier this year, an Airbus A330 freighter took off from Cincinnati International Airport. Shortly after takeoff, it flew into a flock of birds. The crew received an engine warning. The crew immediately followed the emergency procedures, declared an emergency, and decided to return to the departure airport. The airplane landed safely, and everyone was safe. So, does every bird strike mean the plane has to return? Not always. If the bird strike doesn't cause serious damage, the flight may continue safely. But this case was different. First, the bird strike happened just after takeoff. The airplane was still very close to the departure airport. The runway, fire crews, medical teams, ground crews, and the maintenance crew were all there. If the airplane can still be controlled, returning to the departure airport is usually the safest choice. Second, the engine had already been damaged, even if it was still running. That doesn't mean it could safely keep running for the rest of the flight. A damaged engine may become worse while operating at high speed. That's why pilots usually choose to land as soon as possible, so maintenance can inspect the airplane. A pilot doesn't ask, "Can this airplane still fly?" A pilot asks, "Is it still safe to keep flying?" That's why the captain decided to return to the departure airport. I'm Captain Mark. From the cockpit to the world. I will see you on our next flight.